Hey, it's Paul Ingram, and real quick, I just want to make you aware of a brand new Kali training course that I just released. It's called Kali Foundation Home Study Course, and it's a complete guide to solo training from beginner to advanced skills across all 12 areas of Kali. It's a one-time purchase for lifetime access of full training. And I'll be continuously adding new lessons and updating lessons to make sure that the training stays at the most elite cutting edge. Let's go ahead and cut over to an excerpt clip from inside of the new course. See if you can learn this Kali technique, and then hopefully I'll see you on the inside so we can continue your Kali training together. Head over to KaliCenter.com and go check it out. 1-2-1 striking combination. We're going to start off with the right side, and the right weapon is in the 1 chamber position over the right shoulder, and then the left weapon is going to be down here next to the 3 position. We're going to strike our 1, strike our 2. As we're striking the 2, the left hand comes up to the 1 chamber position of the left hand, so at the left shoulder, and then we're going to strike that 1 all the way through to that 2 chamber. Notice that the right stick is now in the number 3 chamber position next to the right hip. Let's reset that and do it again. So from here, from the right stick, left stick is down low, right stick is up high. So we have our open position, but 1 high, 1 low. We're going to strike the X. So angle 1, angle 2. As that angle 2 is coming out, we load the angle 1 of the left hand and then strike it out right there. 1, 2, 1. 1, 2, 1. Then we want to rep it out on the left side. So everything just switches to the mirror image here. Left stick over to the left shoulder at the 1 chamber, right stick down at the 3 chamber next to the right hip. We strike the left hand. There's that angle 1. As the angle 2 comes around, the right hand's going to chamber up. As it clears the center, we throw the right 1. Reset. 1, 2, 1. 1, 2, 1. Look at the hip and shoulder rotation. 1, 2, 1. The double stick on the fluid strikes like this really help to enhance the mechanics of the body in the striking mechanics. Making sure that we're getting to those chamber positions and that we are getting the hip and shoulder, that torso rotation, and the follow through of the strikes.